Are you tired of manually designing creative ads for your campaigns? In this video, I'll show you how to automate creative generation for display ads using AdCreative AI, helping you streamline the process, boost creativity, and save time. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to create stunning display ads effortlessly and even access an exclusive extended free trial. AdCreative AI is an innovative platform that leverages artificial intelligence to automatically generate high-performing ad creatives tailored to your business needs. The beauty of using AdCreative AI is that you don't need to be a design expert to create professional, eye-catching ads. All it takes is a few simple steps, and you're set to have your creatives ready in no time. Here's how it works. When you log into AdCreative AI, you'll start by creating a new project. You'll enter some basic information about your business, including your industry, product, and target audience. This is where the AI takes over, analyzing your input and pulling from an extensive database of ad designs and best practices. It uses this data to generate multiple creative options for you to choose from. What's even better is that AdCreative AI doesn't just generate any random ads. It uses AI-powered insights to ensure that each creative aligns with high-performing design principles. Whether you're running Facebook, Google, or any other display ad campaign, the platform ensures that your creatives are optimized to attract attention and drive engagement. Once the AI generates the creatives, you can easily customize them to fit your brand's personality and message. You can tweak text, colors, and images, or even upload your own brand assets to make sure everything aligns with your visual identity. With a range of templates available, you'll never be stuck looking at a blank canvas again. But wait, there's more. One of the standout features of AdCreative AI is its ability to analyze past ad performance. By continuously learning from your ad data, the platform fine-tunes its suggestions over time, making sure that the ads it generates become increasingly effective with each campaign. Now let's talk about how AdCreative AI can really save you time. Instead of spending hours manually designing, testing, and refining each ad, you can let the AI handle most of the heavy lifting. This frees you up to focus on other areas of your business while still ensuring that your ads look professional and perform well. Another benefit is that it helps you A/B test different creatives with ease. Since the platform generates multiple options, you can quickly see what works best with your audience and scale up your efforts. Plus, the AI continues learning from your test results to improve future creatives. Here's a quick tip. The key to getting the best results with AdCreative AI is being as specific as possible when inputting your campaign details. The more information you provide about your target audience and goals, the better the AI can tailor your creatives for maximum effectiveness. To wrap up, AdCreative AI is a game changer for anyone looking to automate creative generation for display ads. Whether you're running a small business or managing large-scale campaigns, this software can help you save time, improve ad performance, and take the guesswork out of creative design. And don't forget, if you want to try AdCreative AI for yourself, use the first link below to access an exclusive, extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Go ahead and start automating your creative process today.